Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update your OnlyFans email address. So I log into my account on my browser. Now I will move in my profile icon, which is right bottom corner. Just tap on settings and tap to account. Click on email address, which is second option. So I want to change my email address. Yes, update your email address. So if you want to change it, you will be tap on this next button and the application will be shown you the next procedure. So you can just add your new email address right over here and click on update button, and the application will be update your email address on OnlyFans account. So it is very easy and simple. You can update at any time. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.